Hey, what's going on, guys? Rakeem Madison here, and on today's video, I'm going to be going over a sales funnel software called Online Sales Pro. Right? I'm basically going to be using their platform to show you how to make a squeeze page that always converts. All right, so let's get right into it. I hate wasting your time. Let's go. All right, so first things first, guys, I'm going to go over here to the platform, which you may have seen me do a review on once before, a full review. And if you want to see that review, just stick around to the end of this video and I'll give you a way to actually access that training. Okay? All right, so let's jump right into it. All right, so first things first that you need to know when it comes to a squeeze page, the sole purpose of it. The sole purpose of a squeeze page is not to be pretty, right? It's not to have distractions, right? I want to clarify those two things straight up. It's not to be pretty. It's the sole purpose is to convert a visitor into a customer, right? All right. And also to capture the information so you can be able to follow up with them, whether it's email or it's text, right? Because Online Sales Pro also allows you to text them directly from the app, right? Or if you want their name so you can, send more personal emails, then of course that helps too. That works. All right. Sorry. All right. So now that you understand what the purpose of a squeeze page is, now let's go to some of the squeeze pages that I created, and I want to break down the formula that I use when I create squeeze pages, because if you don't do this right, then your pages are not going to convert. It's just plain and simple. All right. All right. So I'm going to show you an example of a capture page that has created hundreds of leads. All right. So I'm going to click here. All right. So let me go ahead and do a preview. All right. So here's a squeeze page. This is the perfect example of a squeeze page. All right, so the first thing you need to know about a squeeze page is that it needs to be simple and straight to the point. So let me explain what I mean, right? So I'm a video creator, for example. I create a video, and I'm creating that video knowing that someone is searching for it, right, by doing proper keyword research. And so I know what it is that that person wants, right? So what do? I create a simple, that's the key word, a simple and straight to the point page, right? So at the time I did a video and it was to share with people a free BitConnect spreadsheet at the present time when that was going on, right? And I knew by doing the video, making a spreadsheet video, that's what people were going to want. So in the beginning of the video, I said, hey, if you want to follow along with me, while we go over this spreadsheet, it would be a good time to do it right now by looking in the description box and clicking that link and downloading it, right? So I already knew what it is that they were going to want, right? Now, this capture page has generated hundreds of leads, literally hundreds of leads, all right? All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to break down the formula that I use, and it's very simple, right? And you'll know how to convert visitors into customers by the end of this video. All right. So this is the solution. So the words, this is the solution, and this is the call to action. So those are the most important things when you come to your squeeze page. You have to give them the solution that they were looking for. Right. So if I should probably just change this to solution and then put this to call to action, but you kind of get the point, right? Now, I'll give you another example, just so I can break down the formula. So you see that it needs to be simple. You also see that it needs to have the solution to the problem here, and then you need to have some type of call to action. Now, sorry, I'm a little bit under the weather, guys, so excuse me on that. All right. So when you create a squeeze page, you want to use the how-to without formula. Now, what am I talking about? All right, so let's go back to the editor, and I'm just gonna put that in the editor. All right, let me how to without. Now I'm just gonna hit save and preview so you can see what I'm explaining here. All right, so I put how to without. So a perfect example of this would be, let's say you're in the weight loss niche, right? And you're trying to help people lose weight. So a perfect example would be how to lose weight without doing, depending on whatever it is. So how to lose weight without killing yourself in the gym, or how to lose weight without I'm trying to think of a perfect example. How to lose weight without going to the gym. Something like that, right? Because that's going to get people to act, right? How to lose weight without going to the gym. I definitely want to know how to do that. You see what I mean? The purpose here is to use the how to without formula. All right. So like I said, guys, it's super simple. That's literally all I do. When it comes to these capture pages, that is the most effective. That, like, I use this strategy of a whole bunch now, right? Because it literally works, because you're showing them how to do this without this. So you're saying how to do what they want without going through the pain that they were already experiencing. All right, so it's really as simple as that, guys. As far as the squeeze page formula that I use, but remember, it's simplicity, right? You want a simple background. You see, I had a black background, and of course, I had the button. And I'm very grateful for Online Sales Pros pages, because they kind of get to that concept that I'm referring to here. They have a button or a form that pops right up in your face, right? And then you have no other options, especially if you're using simplicity by using a black background or a very plain black background. Then it's going to be very effective, guys. Like I said, when I said that capture page had a tons of leads, it had hundreds of leads. All right. Now I don't want to show my customer information, or my lead information, so I won't go to that page. But yes, that particular capture page, because it was simple, I knew what it is that the people who were watching wanted, right? And I provided that solution by setting up an entire sales funnel, right? It was a very simple funnel, to be honest with you. It was just set up the capture page, make sure it's simple, put the solution on the page, and then give a call to action. And then once people click the button and enter their email, they were brought to a download page where they can download the spreadsheet. Right? So that's the sole purpose for a squeeze page, guys, is to capture their information, but also whatever it is that you put on your squeeze page, make sure that you're actually giving people what it is that they're asking for, because when they go to your page, they're asking for that, right? And when they put that email, their name in their email, or whatever you decide to make your form, that is what they're looking for. Because I go to some funnels sometimes, and I enter my email and my name, and I wait around to see if they're actually going to give me what it is that I opted in for. And sometimes I run into where a lot of them don't give what they do not give what they present on the capture page, which is very misleading, right? And I won't really want to go there, but that's why they're not getting the results that they want inside of their business. Okay, all right, so let me go and show you another example page. All right, so let's show you another example. All right, let's go to an older one, because I was using the video in the middle strategy, basically like a bridge page. So let's say you were running a Facebook ad, or you're running, I don't know, maybe a Bing ad or something where people don't see you immediately. What you can do is you can still provide a solution, because you know what they're looking for, because you put in out advertisements. What you can do is, after they opt in, you can do a bridge video. What a bridge video is, it basically introduces you to the person, right? Now, they don't just see a capture page now. They see you. You're introducing yourself a little bit, just like a 2 to 3 minute video saying, hey, my name is so-and-so. Basically get them prepared to go to the next page, which 9 times out of 10, the next page is most likely going to be a video sales letter from whichever company you're promoting or depending on which industry you're in, right? So I'll recap it real fast. So they come to the capture page and remember to keep that congruency. So if your capture page says free training, discover 3 simple steps to getting paid Bitcoin daily. On your middle page, that page that you have your video on, and depending on if you take the bridge page route, you want to have the exact same title up at the top of that page, right? So what do I mean? Let's go here. I do it sometimes, but I just want to make sure I give you a perfect example. Let's see here. Okay, so this will help you understand what I mean. All right, so let's go to this capture page and let's go to save and preview. All right, so you too could be making $2,203.20 a week uploading simple videos online using this proven system, right? So when they come here, they're gonna be like, discover the secrets, click here. Oh yeah, I definitely want to do that, right? Now I know some of you guys watching this may be like, really? That capture page? Like, really? But yeah, that I only use that because I was promoting an affiliate product, and to show you the congruency, this is a perfect example. All right, so I'm going to hit discover the secrets, and I'm going to put tests, and I'm going to put my email address again, and I'm going to hit get instant access. All right, so congruency part, which I was talking about. What do you see on this page right here? The exact same copy. Sorry guys, give me just a second. Looks like my screen kind of froze here. Oh man, come on. Looks like, oh my gosh, this is what is going on here, dude? Oh man, okay. I don't know what just happened right there, guys. I do not know, but I wanted to show you the congruency. Right? So you too could be making the exact same thing that I had on the capture page. So when people come to this page, they see the exact same thing. So it's congruent in their minds. This is what I'm looking for, right? And then they get to the sales page in this particular offer, right? And then they can make an informed decision on whether they want to continue. Okay? All right. So let's go back to Online Sales Pro. All right, let's see. Let me kind of explain some more examples. So I'll kind of recap them real fast. So you can go from capture page or squeeze page to video, introducing yourself, and then telling them what to expect on the next page, and which will be the sales page. Or depending on if you're giving away a free gift or something like that, you could go squeeze page and then free gift download page, or squeeze page just to collect the email and then email them what it is that they were looking for. But make sure you let them know ahead of time, hey, once you enter your name and email here, or you can do a video squeeze page, right, where you have a video and you have the form on there, right? So I'll show you an example of what that looks like. So this would be an example. Let me just pull this up just so you can see what a video squeeze page is. All right. Hey guys, all right. Joel here, all right. So you see the video here, right? And this is letting somebody know here's what you need to do. There's a name. You can enter your name here and you can enter your email address, but you're letting them know what they need to do in the video before they even get to the next page, right? So this is why I kind of like these pages, because they actually do convert pretty high. Just in my, with my testing, they actually convert pretty high because they see you, right? They already, if they haven't seen you from an ad, right? If they haven't seen you from an ad, then when they come to this page, they see you. Okay, I see who this person is. They're giving me directions, and you're pretty much guiding them through the process. Okay, so guys, if this wasn't simple, let me know. Let me know in the comments, guys. I'm really trying to do my best to help you to build an online business, guys. I'm going to be putting out content, more and more content on how to do this, right? Because if you've been following me, obviously you've seen what I've been doing over the past couple of months, right? Especially when it comes to with the cryptocurrency. Yes, we had a downfall, guys, but like I said, I'm going to continue providing this content, and I'm sorry for putting this video out. It seemed like it had been a while since I put a video out, guys, and it has, but I've been kind of under the weather. So I've been trying to avoid doing the video, not really avoid doing the videos, just my voice. I could barely speak. I don't know. It's like a flu going on around, like, I don't know. It seems like everyone's sick. All right. But if you got value from this video, guys, go ahead and smash that like button. And if you haven't yet subscribed, be sure to subscribe to get more videos just like this. So with that being said, I look forward to seeing you in the next video, my friend. Peace.